What do I want to do? Raise awareness for a brand, business or organization, or promote a concert or music-related content. Let's say raise awareness for a brand, business or organization. Name your ad. Okay, let's go in here and call it Music Radio Creative Audio Ad Awareness. That's nice. That works. Awesome. Next. Okay, this is the creator. Look at this. Right. Reach listeners in a specific country, state, city, or DMA. Hover over question mark. Designed market area. Yeah, I didn't know what DMA stood for. A group of cities that form a border of metropolitan area. For example, the Los Angeles DMA includes the city of Los Angeles as well as neighboring towns and counties. Okay, cool. So I guess you can type in United, will it autocomplete? Yeah, United Kingdom. So I can do the whole country of UK. I wonder if I can do London. Let's have a look. London, Canada, Londonderry in Northern Ireland, London, England. Can I do my home island of the Isle of Wight, I wonder? No. What about a town on the Isle of Wight? Ryde. Let's say, yeah, Ryde, England. Awesome. Wow. Let's try Shanklin, just out of interest. No, it won't let me advertise to Shanklin. What about cows? No, I can only advertise to Ryde on the Isle of Wight. I see, okay. But geolocation, I'm sure will get better over time. For this example, I'm going to go for United States. Let's start with United States and see what that gives me. Right, so it's going to cost me 0.009 per ad served, so less than a penny per ad served, which is pretty good. So I'm going to leave it as United States at the moment, see where we go. For age range, I'm going to kind of niche down a little bit to 30-year-olds up to 50-year-olds. People who are likely to buy an audio ad from Music Radio Creative, so that kind of age range. Gender, I will stay with all, although it tends to be skewed towards the male gender. I'll leave it to both male and female for this particular campaign. Right, we can target based on listening behavior. So the audience's music taste. That will impact reach. So I can either advertise a broad brushstroke to all music or by a genre or even a playlist category. Let's have a play with these. So genre, okay, cool. So I can type in, oh, cool. It gives us some auto-suggest here. That's pretty cool. So obviously I got rock, probably go for rock, but let's see what kind of rock. Rock and indie rock. Okay, let's just pop in rock. And what other genres do we have here? Do we have like a top 40 or something like that? Not really. Oh, we got pop. So rock and pop I could go for. That would be quite a good kind of, oh, look, and my charge has gone up now that I've micro-niched down with the music genre. So now it's going to cost me a penny per ad serve, which I still think is pretty good. Let's just try playlist category and see how that works. Oh, right. Okay. So we can get people in a certain mood, people who are chilling, people who are cooking, eating dinner, focusing, gaming, party, travel, workout. Wow. So, I mean, yeah, if you have a health product, you might want to go for people in the middle of a workout. That would be quite cool. Or, travel, backpackers for the travel playlist. You've got a kids playlist here, gaming, focus, people trying to get work done. That could be quite good, actually. But let's keep it wide. Let's keep it rock and pop. Hang on. How does that change? Oh, it changes back. What if I go for the focus playlist? Up to 11. 0. Yeah, a penny 0.1. So it's not bad. But let's go for rock and pop. So we're looking at United States, 30 to 50-year-olds, both genders, listening to rock and pop on Spotify. What platform? We can go for all, or just iOS, just Android, just desktop. I think we'll target everyone on all platforms, seeing as our website is responsive. So if somebody clicks our ad on a phone or tablet, it's not a big deal. Thanks for watching this video in the Spotify Ad Studio tutorial series. Stick around for the next video, and if you'd like your own audio ad created, we'd love to help you with that. Head over to musicradiocreative.com.